Okay guys, it's me, Casey again, KJ7WZT, Kilo Juliet 7 Whiskey Zulu Tango. I got a new toy here. As you can see, that is the Yaesu FT-891 high frequency 50 megahertz transceiver. As if the FT-DX10 wasn't enough for me, but I figured I would unbox this on video since I have a thing of unboxing Yaesu radios on video for you guys. So let's see what's in there. First of all, my receipt. I got this on the last day of the $30 off discount from Yaesu for $609. So there's that, and you can see the package here. It's got my serial number and stuff on that side. It says the microphone's made in China and the radio's made in Japan. Thank goodness, nice Japanese radio there. So let's see what's in there, shall we? I'm gonna go ahead and fold the tab back. And I do believe earlier I tucked my receipt inside the box. So there's the actual, this would go, you could see $639, $30 discount. It was only $609. There's the last day of the discount, so that receipt and this piece of paper should go together here. I'm going to set those off to the side for a moment, and let's go ahead and pry open the lovely Yaesu box. I just love this packaging, so nice. And let's see what's inside here. Did I mention we're in the middle of the forest as usual? Let's see here. The middle of the forest with my camper. So you could see why I keep buying high frequency radios, because I keep going to the middle of the forest where I'm gonna keep needing them. There's quite a bit of mosquitoes here, but I'm gonna try and make this quick, and I have bug spray on. So you can see there, I have a limited warranty card, valid in the country and the region where purchased. I'm going to set that off to the side or over here. Well, let's see here. I also have a Yaesu, the radio sticker. That's worth the $600 right there, by the way. There's the manual. You can see I got this great table. I'm in an old abandoned campsite in the middle of the woods with my camper. My dog's hanging out in my camper over there. So you can see the manual, and we have like this is probably a quick start or similar. And of course I always go all the way through all my manuals. Actually, some of those manuals are worth 20 bucks all by themselves. So where to start? We'll leave the radio alone first. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab this little bubble wrap here and see what we got. Ooh, what do you know? That's where the magic happens, huh? Let's see here. I'm going to use one hand to help me extract this. Sorry for the wiggling. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's what's up. Gotta love them Yaesu radios, baby. Oh, and look at the spin on that knob. Just one finger, it'll give a spin, and there's the tension adjustment. So let's see here. I got mosquitoes trying to bite me because I'm in the middle of nowhere. I cannot actually, yes, there I can. There we go. So there's the head. Power and lock. Nice feeling button, feels weighted, spins good. We got a little standard screw mount like a tripod. Looks like I'm gonna need a separation kit probably. Whew, I'm getting bit by mosquitoes. Oh yeah, those knobs feel good. They feel like the DX10 knobs, and the buttons feel great. Ah yeah, that feels great. This is gonna be nice. And look at that big old signal LED there. Oh yeah, this is great. Beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and set that off to the side over here. Now, let's see, we got ourselves a Yaesu power cable with 2 fuses. They're the blade style fuses. Set that over here. We've got an MH31A8J dynamic microphone. And there's a little microphone mount in there as usual. Let's check out this microphone here. Bonk. There's a tone switch. I guess those are scan buttons. I'll have to read the manual and look. Oh, that's interesting. This one disconnects right there. Huh. A little bit different than the one from my DX10. I'll grab that and set that off to the side over here with the plastic. Ooh, it came with a mount, so I don't have to buy a mount. Perfect. Excellent. We're gonna find somewhere fun to put that. So we got some screws for the mount, extra fuse. We got some more screws for the mount. These are coarse and fine thread, some with nuts and some for self-tapping. That appears to be it on this side of the box. Just to make sure. Yep, that's it in there. Okay, now let's see here. We have the radio itself. I gotta be careful doing this. I only got 2 hands. And there it is. There's how it comes out of the package. You got about 4 or 5 inches of cable to work with. There is a nice little radio stand there that will rest neat on those little rubber buttons on the back. You got a big heat sink here, the high frequency antenna output. You got some USB inputs. You got your ground strap, DC power, and I'm not exactly sure what those are. One of them is probably the speaker, and I don't know exactly. It looks like maybe the microphone goes either there. Yeah, I would imagine it probably goes there. But I'm not sure. So let's go ahead and kick this off to the side, and I'm going to set that there. Go ahead and set this here. So I was going to just... Oh, I'm not sure exactly. So I know this would go here. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to read the manual and see how it goes. But man, that is beautiful. Look at that. Boom! You can get 2 spins out of it, no problem. And you can crank it up. Make it nice and tight. But I definitely like that spin action. That's good for some scanning motions. But the antenna I plan to use with it, I have my Yaesu ATAS covered in dog hair. This has been bouncing around in my trailer a little bit. We're going to throw the Yaesu ATAS on this bad boy so we can tune in all the different channels. And we have the Diamond Antenna K400S antenna mount like we were using before for the DX10. We're going to go ahead and reuse that. It's not really good for mobbing back here in the forest, but it's all right for normal use. So you have to take this off when you're mobbing in the forest because it gets swaying back and forth like crazy. We also have a ground strap. I got some ground strap here to attach to the back of the radio and go to my DC bus bar on my trailer. And at Ham Radio Outlet, they were kind enough to hook me up with a the Radio Country prefixes and a band plan, which I really like to use these when I'm using radios, because I could just sit here and look, oh yeah, I'm on 20 meters. Okay, well I can go between 14.225 and 14.350 because I'm only a general right now. So I'll just go in there and operate. Oh, I just switched to 40 meters. Oh, I can go between, so it's quick. You can just reference one of these charts to see where you can operate while you're operating. So wherever you're operating, just hang those up on the wall and you can operate really easily with that. But yeah, this is the body of the FT-891, brand new, in the middle of the woods with the mosquitoes and the flies. Here, this is my first time seeing it, just as yours here. Pretty interesting. We'll see how it goes. I'm not really sure. I'm definitely gonna have to, it's probably like that, and then clips in like that or something, I would imagine. I'm gonna have to get out the manual and see. But Yeah, it looks like another high quality Yaesu product. I'm sure it's gonna work pretty good. That is a nice nice interface there. Boom, boom, boom. Touch all the buttons, everything all one-handed. Scan with your pinky while you're hitting all this stuff. Boom, boom. That's pretty cool. Definitely like that. Another good radio, Yaesu. Good job. You guys will see me operating with it later. I'll get back to you soon. Peace out. This is Casey Holmes again from the middle of the woods, KJ7WZT, over 73. See y'all later.